Sliding windows going off track is one of the most annoying things that can mess up your rollers and frames, and if you don't catch it early, it can cause some serious damage. So first off, keep an eye on your sliding windows to spot any weird sticking or rough movement. Clean the tracks regularly with a vacuum or a brush to get rid of dust and dirt that make the window jam up. After cleaning, wipe down the tracks with a damp cloth to stop grime from building up again. If the window feels heavy or hard to slide, check if the rollers are worn out or damaged, because those little wheels are what make everything slide smoothly. Lubricate the rollers and tracks with a silicone-based lubricant, not oil, to avoid attracting more dirt. Also, make sure the window frame is straight and hasn't warped, because that can throw the whole thing off track. When you close the window, don't slam it shut, since that can knock the rollers out of place or bend the frame. Lastly, if you notice any cracks or chips on the frame or glass, get those fixed quick so it doesn't turn into a bigger problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sliding windows off track is ignoring early signs like sticking or noise, which eventually ruins rollers and frames. Catch it early by doing regular maintenance. Another common issue is using the wrong lubricant like oil or grease that actually gunk up the tracks instead of silicone spray. Just stick to silicone-based stuff for smooth sliding. A third problem is forcing the window when it's stuck, which bends frames and breaks rollers. Instead, clean and check for damage before trying to move it hard. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix sliding windows and keep them running smooth. If you're a contractor, it helps you find more work by connecting you with homeowners who really need your skills.